elements. First we see the Greek symbols. Greek symbols is in ancient Greeks used, it's used by ancient Greeks. It's one of the method. They are used in 4 elements. What are they? Earth, air, fire, water. So the 4 basic elements around what, such as earth, air, fire and water, these are all they used in symbols of Greek symbols. That is called the Greek symbols. And alchemist symbols is nothing but alchemist used some pictorial symbols, some picture symbols. So change less valuable metal into gold they need to, while they try to change the less valuable metal into gold. So the process what alchemy, and the man who did this work, alchemist. So the alchemist used what symbol? Pictorial symbol. Look at the slide, you can be able to easily identify. First one is nickel, arsenic and antimony, water. These are all the pictorial symbols. And but it's a very rare, usually only they used that way, used in very rarely. And third one is Dalton symbols. Dalton symbols are difficult to draw. Look at the slide, it's a difficult to draw. So that's why these also resemble based on the pictorial symbols only. So it's they are not used. It's only of what historical importance only. The John Dalton, English scientist, tried to name the various elements in the year of 1808. And next we move that Bexelius symbols. Bexelius symbols and John Jacob Bexelius devised this system using a letters of what? Alphabet rather than signs. Okay. So the modified version of Bexelius system what? System for determining symbols of the elements. This is the modified version. He is introduced in the year of 1813. Okay. And then the present system for determining symbols of the elements. No, the symbol is the most common elements, mainly non-metals, use the first letter, because he used what? Alphabet. No, so first letter of their English name. For example, boron element means symbol is capital letter B, and element is oxygen means symbol is what? O. So carbon means the symbol is what? C. Element carbon, symbol is capital letter C. Hydrogen element and symbol is H. And nitrogen symbol is N, capital N. Iodine, so symbol is I. If the name of element has the same initial letter as another element, then what we do? The symbol uses first and second letters, we take it that element name. For example, aluminium. Aluminium and argon, these are all antimony, these are all no, so we can use that 2 letters. Aluminium symbol what? Al, and argon symbol what? Ar. So we can easily identify, so we take the 2 letters, so because the avoiding to the recognize. And bismuth means Bi, neon means Ne. So these are all. And if the first 2 letters of the name elements are the same, so then what we do? Again the symbol of consists first letter and second or third letter of English name, and that they do not have in common. Okay. And some symbols are used on the basis of their old names or Latin name of an element. There are 11 elements there: sodium, potassium, iron. These are all. Sodium we put it what? Na symbol. No, so because the old Latin name what? Natrium, that's why we put in the sodium Na. Potassium means otherwise what we in the rules of what we taken P only, capital letter, we can put in a P only. No, so but here we used what? K only. No, because the Latin names potassium means calcium, that's why it's a symbol of K. Iron is Latin name is ferrum, that why we used to first 2 letters Fe. So that's why the reason of this symbol. And copper also same. Cuparium is a Latin name, so that's why we used to Cu. Okay, so these are all. And some elements are named using name of country also. So scientist, color, mythological characters, so planet, these are all also we consider that. So first name what? European, that's why symbol is EU, Europe country. And iodine is I, violet color of Greek, no? So I is a here symbol. And Mercury, name is a Mercury, so we used HGs, that is the god Mercury, mythologic characters here, so that's why we used word HG. And Uranus planet, that's why we used to U. And these are all some of the named using method. And do you know how to write a symbol for a given element? Okay, if the element has a single English letter as a symbol, it should be written in a capital letter only. For elements having two letter symbols, so the first letter should be in capital letter and followed by what? Small letter only. So these are all the symbol writing method. And what is the significance of the symbol of an element means name of the element, one atom of the element, for example the symbol of O. So it stands for what? The element of oxygen. Oxygen is element, no? So the element of oxygen. So one atom of oxygen.